Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage identity theft risks with Discover, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage identity theft risks effectively, start by understanding what identity theft is. Identity theft occurs when someone uses your personal information without permission. Begin by monitoring your accounts regularly. Check your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions. Set up alerts for transactions that exceed a certain amount. Next, consider subscribing to a credit monitoring service. These services can notify you of changes to your credit report. Review your credit report at least once a year. You can request a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Look for any accounts or inquiries that you do not recognize. If you find suspicious activity, take action immediately. Contact the financial institution linked to any unauthorized account. Next, protect your personal information online. Use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be cautious when sharing personal information on social media. Limit what you post publicly to reduce exposure to your data. When shopping online, ensure the website is secure. Look for HTTPS in the URL and a padlock icon. Additionally, be wary of phishing attempts. Do not click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. If you receive suspicious emails, report them. Consider placing a fraud alert on your credit report. This makes it harder for identity thieves to open new accounts in your name. You can request a credit freeze if you believe your identity has been stolen. This prevents creditors from accessing your credit report. If you become a victim, document everything. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.